Kumusta? Meron ba kayong lupa na sa inyong parents pero hindi pa to na-transfer sa pangalan nyo? Baka hindi ang lupa ang problema. Baka ang problema is ang papel. Daming family nag-away-away dahil sa lupa or sa property. Pero alam nyo ba, ang iba dyan, pwede lang talaga masolve siya sa simple lang through extrajudicial settlement. As a licensed real estate broker and appraiser, one of the most common concerns I encounter is namatay ang parents, years ago, pero until now, hindi pa rin ma-transfer ang title. I have a story. Hindi ko lang, a family owns a valuable property. Pinapa-appraise niya sa akin. Masasabi ko talaga, malaki talaga yung value ng property. The parents passed away many years ago. And everyone, ag-assume talaga siya na ang lupa automatically belongs yan sa mga anak. Then, years later, na-discover nila na ang title is still under the name of the deceased person. So, this is where extrajudicial settlement of state becomes very important. What is extrajudicial settlement? Ito ang legal process where lahat ng heirs voluntarily agree on how to divide and transfer the estate of a deceased person without going to court. Provided na ang deceased wala siyang naiwan na will at lahat ng utang niya have been settled and lahat ng heirs agree on the distribution. Without proper settlement, napakahirap talaga ang properties na i-transfer. Kahit buyer hesitant yan. Kung ilapit mo yan sa bank financing, very difficult. At ang pinakamahirap, family dispute may arise. Remember, I want to inspire everybody. The best gift we can leave our children is not just a property. It's a clear ownership, complete documents, and family harmony. So if your property is still under the name of the deceased parent or relative, now may be the right time to review your documents and understand your options. Dito lang ako, Rosalie Conrado Dagsa. Don't forget to message me if you need me. Bye!